Are you a decision maker? Do you participate in decision making for your family, in your relationships, in your job role? Decision making has become a life skill. Your decisions are going to change the course of your upcoming life. This will decide the life of your coming generations. This might be good or bad. I wish they are good. Hello guys, welcome to Relax Man. I am your friend sharing with you some crucial thoughts on self-improvement which I get from reading books and talking to experienced people. The very first thing guys, never ever take any big decision in poor state. My friend broke up last night. He was quite stressed with his job and was unable to get time for his relationship. For this, his girlfriend asked for a healthy discussion. He was stressed, which made him angry about it. He thought she was complaining. He thought he's losing his personal space. Whose mistake it was? Was it a toxic relationship or a toxic job? Yes, correct. You got the point. Guys, always refrain from making big decisions in a poor state of mind and body. It is too dangerous. Your irrelevant emotions are acting like catalyst which will definitely start a cascade of irreversible and potentially life-changing events. Guys, listen to this carefully and tell me at the end whether you connect to this or not. I have noticed that whenever I am angry, I take immediate actions. Whenever I am happy, I overdo some things. Whenever I am tired, I take a lazy approach. Whenever I am impatient, I jump to conclusions very fast, which are not wise. What I mean to say that you are exaggerating things in every emotion, in poor state of mind and body. This is an evil force. What I started doing is, check the left. Share this video with the people you think need this. Like if you like the video, comment good or bad. But subscribing to this channel is must because Relax Man is working for you to stay relaxed. Thank you.